With Christmas just around the corner, some of you might already be deep in that panic spiral of last-minute shopping. And I know, socks are important, but let's be honest, tech is importanter and way more exciting than pretending, those socks were thoughtful. So I've put together a basket of gadgets that start around 20 or 30 bucks and climb considerably higher for the people in your life who've been strategically well behaved this year. Everything will be easy to track in the description, and let's get into the fun stuff directly. What the... This is the Anti-Gravity A1, which takes a very different approach to flying altogether. The whole system revolves around three components: the drone itself, the vision goggles, and the grip motion controller. Once I put on the goggles, I am greeted by a 2.5K 1-inch micro OLED display set up with pancake optics, a 90-degree field of view, and 3 viewing modes, and even an outer screen so people around me can see what's happening. Thanks to something called free motion, flying becomes the simple act of pointing where you want to go and pulling the trigger. And because the drone sits at 249 grams, it's something you can take practically anywhere with up to 24 or 39 minutes of flight depending on the battery. What makes the A1 stand out though is the camera system. It's the world's first 360-degree drone capturing 8K 360 video. So framing isn't thankfully something you manage in the air. You fly first and later reframe that single flight into any format or angle. Horizontal, vertical, square, anything you need. One recording becomes multiple ideas, and it's exactly the kind of thing that steals Christmas because everyone who sees it or relives the footage immediately wants to try it. And if you want to dig deeper, you can check out the link below. Grounding things for a moment, you can't really talk about Christmas without at least acknowledging the Nintendo Switch 2, the console that basically stole the middle of 2025 and did it with style. Unlike most other systems, the Switch 2 is still the magical recipe that fits any age group like it was designed specifically for them. And personally, if I have to be honest, if I have to pick one console to rule them all, it will be this one. It takes everything that made the original Switch a classic and sharpens it, minus the OLED screen which didn't make the cut this generation. Regardless, if the budget allows it, it's one of those Christmas gifts that lands very well every single time. But the nice thing with the Nintendo Gear is that if the budget doesn't stretch that far, there are still plenty of clever accessories. I gifted myself this charging station that lets me keep using the original dock while expanding it to charge extra controllers, Joy-Cons, and even store game cartridges. With built-in LEDs and status indicators, this little dock costs less than most games, and honestly, those make great last-minute picks too. By the way, if you end up enjoying this video, subscribe, because why not? On a more professional note, regular viewers might have seen me rave about the Insta360 Link 2 cameras plenty of times, but what I'm about to show you is super impressive. This is the Wave, and it's a professional speakerphone that turns video calls and meetings into something super unique. Once paired with a Link 2, Wave becomes a single audio and video hub that listens for the active speaker in the room and automatically shifts focus to them. The system simply reacts in real time and keeps the conversation flowing, and what's more, it serves as an AI meeting assistant and transcriber. Now, if Wave is the brain of the setup, the Link 2 is the eyes with its gimbal. Both the Link 2 and Link 2C, by the way, come with a half-inch sensor, 4K at 30 frames per second, HDR, and Insta360's True Focus, Autofocus, plus 1080p 60 for the streamers out there. The Link 2's AI gimbal physically tracks movement, while the Link 2C handles motion through auto-framing. Both support gesture control, privacy modes, whiteboard view, portrait mode, and remote adjustment through the app. Together with a Wave, they create the most compelling conference ecosystem, and you can check them out below and enjoy $40 off this holiday season. And while we're still on the productivity bandwagon, the newly released MX Master 4 from Logitech is one of those upgrades that quietly elevates daily routine. If you're not familiar with the MX Master line, this isn't just another mouse. It's the tool that turns the grind from a mechanical chore into something smooth and almost effortless. Like the previous models, it's sculpted and ergonomic, built for long 70 days at a charge sessions, and it fits just as naturally into a Mac setup as it does in a Windows one. Under the hood, an 8000 dpi dark field sensor tracks with precision on pretty much any surface, but what sets this generation apart is the level of customization. There is now haptic feedback that subtly taps back when you trigger shortcuts or complete actions, and the new Action Ring overlay lets you map your most used tools individually for each app. It connects easily over Bluetooth or through USB-C dongle on the non-Mac version and switches between multiple devices super easy. If usefulness sits on the top of the wishlist, the MX Master 4 is one of those gifts that ends up being used every single day. For the MagSafe lovers out there, the next item is the ESR Cryobulls Foldable 3-in-1 Magnetic Charging Station, recently named one of Time's best inventions. And the idea behind it is simple. Take all the convenience of MagSafe, remove the heat and the clutter, and make it portable enough to disappear in a bag. Folded is just 15.8mm thin, yet once opened, it charges an iPhone, AirPods, and an Apple Watch at the same time, adjusting anywhere from a low stand to a 75-degree viewing angle, depending on how you're using it. There's even a fan off mode for quiet nights, but what makes it stand out is ESR Cryobulls technology, a patented active cooling system that reduces heat by about 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit using a laptop-grade fan that stays whisper quiet at around 25 decibels. Combined with Qi 225-watt fast charging, an iPhone 17 and 17 Pro reaches roughly 60% in about half an hour. It's also MFW certified too, so the latest Apple Watches can jump to 80% in around 30 minutes. And because it ships with a 50-watt adapter, the whole setup integrates seamlessly into a desk or travel routine. While we're still on the MagSafe territory, the wallet that I've been using most this year is the UAG Metropolis Kevlar, and it's basically built like a tank. What's nice is that despite the toughness, it stays surprisingly thin. As my only wallet at this point, I need more space than just the standard 3-card setup, and this one hits the sweet spot. I keep 4 cards on the outside, my ID and driver license on the inside, and there's even a spare pocket for a bit of an, emergency cash. And because I wouldn't pick a MagSafe wallet that can't double as a stand, this one handles the job flawlessly. It props the phone at a comfortable angle without wobbling or losing the grip. Now, it doesn't have built-in tracking like some other wallets I've shown in the past, but it compensates with sheer durability and a finish that just feels right in the hand. For the more traditional compact wallet enthusiasts, I have to show the PunCube wallet. This is the Mech wallet, actually, that's the full name of it. And this thing is incredible because it can do this. Look at this. It's absolutely amazing. You can fit a bunch of cards inside, and you can combine it with the extension on the back to maybe hide some coins or some, backup cash. And of course, you have another slot for a card here. But, the actual conversation piece here is this. And depending on the wallet that you pick, you have various choices of the way the mechanism works and sounds. But perhaps the most Christmassy gift nowadays are phone cases because they follow people everywhere. And this red matte Magic Stand Pro case from Casekoo leans in Christmas all the way, I think. For me, the contrast black version speaks better as it feels timeless. But the detail that really catches most people's attention is the Magic Stand 360 ring, which is actually patented. Look, the patent code is edged right into the metal. The ring rotates a full 360 degrees, snaps into multiple viewing angles, and works both as a stand and as a grip. It's fully MagSafe compatible, has proper drop protection, and the wider Casekoo color offerings means people can go as expressive or as minimal as they want. On the desk, it becomes a quick stand for calls, and the kitchen perhaps the recipe sidekick. And when out and about, it simply gives the more secure way to hold the device. This case is simple yet thoughtful, and if you're looking for something that feels personal without being, extravagant, everything you need to explore it further is already waiting for you down below. If your significant other is into Apple Watches, whether it's the Ultra or one of the newer standard models, the new Nomad Stratos band is definitely something worth shortlisting. One of my most used bands over the years has been the Nomad Classic Titanium band, which I still reach for every now and then whenever I decide to actually wear my Apple Watch, but the Stratos feels like a very different take. It blends the titanium hardware with these FKM interior links that come in black, orange, or what Nomad calls Vault or yellow. And the whole thing ends up being this really clever mix of durability and personality. I originally planned on ordering the all-black version, but I ended up going with the ultra orange instead, and honestly, it has turned into a genuine conversation starter. The color isn't loud or eye-poking, it's more of a subtle flash that makes you look twice. The band is super lightweight, surprisingly rugged, and paired with a black Apple Watch, it feels like something I'll be using for many years. Maybe my favorite detail is the magnetic clasp, which snaps into place with that incredibly satisfying click Nomad always nails. For those who are in dire need of new earbuds, the Shokz Open Dots 1 are a great choice. Now, these are not typical earbuds. They're called air conducting ones, and they don't sit inside the ear, but they rather clip on the back of it and stay like this, which means I can wear them for hours at a time. In fact, the case itself provides a total of 40 hours of listening music, and the sound that they produce and the comfort, the level of comfort here is truly amazing. So if you're like me and you don't like the typical rubbers that go inside the ear canal and you prefer to have something that is lighter, less intrusive, these are a great option. For the Tesla drivers out there, I want to give a quick shout out to Enhanced Auto's Commander, this tiny little module that sits inconspicuously in the passenger footwell and unlocks a surprising amount of customization via your phone, regardless of which Tesla model we're talking about. It handles these small annoyances first, like finally letting me turn off the speed limit chime that insists on coming back every time the car starts, but it also opens the door to much deeper tweaks. I can program the driver's door handle, for example, to open the front, enable things like passenger easy entry where the seat slides back when getting in and out, or even remap the right scroll wheel to shift gears so I don't have to reach for the screen each time. There are countless thoughtful touches baked in, features like auto window drop when squeezing out of a tight space, and that's before I even mention the rest of the Enhanced Auto ecosystem, specifically the sexy buttons which can live pretty much anywhere in or outside the car and trigger custom actions like opening the glove box. But everything starts with the Commander, and honestly, that alone is something I'd happily wrap up and put under a tree. Now, if this video lit up your shopping instincts, my recent Black Friday and EDC episodes will only make things worse in the best possible way, packed with ideas that can easily spill into the holiday season. Like and subscribe to the channel as well as my newsletter, and as always, it's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.